Fridges are one of those bare necessities that everyone has to have in their lives. More and more people are looking for small fridges and one person instead of getting family-sized mega fridges. Mini fridges will do the job for you and only requires less space. But with so many different configurations and sizes, it can be tricky to decide which is the best mini fridge for you. So if you are interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Our list begins with the Koolatron KRT04-G Retro Personal Cooler. This personal mini fridge comes with a rounded retro refrigerator silhouette, close window, eye-catching metallic hinges, twist-to-open door handle, and retractable carry handle. Its CFC-free thermoelectric technology effectively keeps items cool to 32 degrees Fahrenheit below room temperature, or changes to hot mode to warm items up to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. This fridge offers a 4-liter capacity with a removable shelf, holds 6 standard 355 milliliter cans, and fits easily on a desk or shelf. The retractable carry handle makes it easy to carry, and the removable shelf lets you organize your drinks and snacks. Additionally, it uses 110-volt AC and 12-volt DC plugs, so you can plug it into any standard household outlet at your office, home, or dorm room, or use it in your car, boat, or RV. The RCA 3.2 cubic feet refrigerator is a suitable choice for small spaces, such as dorms or apartments. Its compact, flat-back design keeps food and drinks cold, while taking up only a small amount of room. This mini fridge features an adjustable thermostat, so you can find the right temperature for keeping different types of edibles fresh. It has a freezer chamber inside, which allows you to create ice cubes, while dispensa-can storage lets you quickly retrieve beverages. Its reversible door and adjustable legs make it possible to customize the unit to fit your space and needs. Within this RCA refrigerator are 2 full-width interior shelves and a full-width door shelf, supplying plenty of storage space. Up next on the list, we have the Finishing Touch Flawless Mini Beauty Fridge. This compact beauty mini fridge keeps all your essentials cool and features 2 shelves for your makeup, creams, jade rollers, or even food. It measures 7.5 inches wide by 10.25 inches deep by 11 inches tall. This fridge stores your beauty products, creams, and serums at a lower temperature to decrease your skin swelling and redness. When adding cool temperatures to such beauty products, you may receive the added benefit of decreasing inflammation, puffiness, and redness from dull, tired-looking skin. The Chefman Mini Fridge keeps your food and drinks at the perfect temperature, while at home and on the go. It goes from cooling to heating with just the flip of a switch, cools up to 32 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature, and warms up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit in an ambient temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Compact space-saving design and lightweight features make it easy to take with you anywhere, yet it can still fit your needs. The 4-liter capacity chills 6 12-ounce cans, while a removable shelf makes it easy to store milk, juice, yogurt, bottles, smoothies, cheese, fruit, coffee, soup, and many more home-cooked meals or beverages. Plus, it includes plugs for both standard home outlets and 12-volt car chargers. Another advantage is that it is CETL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. The next product on the list is the AstroAI Mini Fridge. This portable 2-way mini fridge is fully insulated to keep things cool or hot, even when the motor isn't running. Its eco-friendly semiconductor refrigeration chip is built to handle consistent use. Take this fully insulated cooler and warmer from the house, on your road trip, and into the hotel room to keep medication at the right temperature. The convenient carry handle makes transporting what you need even more comfortable. 2 plugs are included for both standard wall outlets and 12-volt cigarette lighters in vehicles, and can store 12-ounce cans with ease. Cold items will stay cool for several hours after the portable fridge has been turned off, provided that the door is closed correctly. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the Cooluli Classic Compact Cooler Warmer Mini Fridge. The thermoelectric system of this mini fridge allows for easy switching from beverage cooler to food warmer. It holds up to 6 12-ounce cans and has the ideal size for use at home, in the nursery, office, or dorm room. Also, it comes included with AC and DC power adapters, which makes it easy to go from indoor 110-volt to car use by plugging the appliance into the car cigarette 12-volt adapter. Plus, it can be powered with a 2A power bank with an included USB cord for even more portability. The lightweight, sturdy polypropylene plastic design and magnetic self-lock latching door and included DC adapter make this cooler warmer portable. Moreover, the carrying handle on top makes transporting the appliance even more convenient. However, it provides an easy-to-read display, lighting up what setting the device is on, and can be changed by simply flipping a switch. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification for more exciting videos from our channel.